Hello, the lovers of realistic miniatures. Beautiful crafts in the style of Frozen. Let's see how to do them. Start with two shaped blanks in the form of bows. Carefully bend the long tips, smooth the folds, and glue them. Connect the bows and decorate them with a stone. Finish the hairpins, glue the tip of a plastic fork, blue or pink. Barbie chooses a pink bow to decorate her hair. Wrap the doll's leg in a thin film and make a boot from a thick layer of hot glue. Carefully cut the workpiece to remove it from the miniature leg. Align the top of the shoe. Make the sole. Glue 2 layers of felt and cut out exactly along the contour of the doll's foot. Add the heel. Glue it around with sparkling foam paper. Cover the white shoes with a dense layer of silver blue gel. Along the sole, glue an elegant silver canticle. Add a wide, white edge of fur. Carefully glue the top. Attach the overlays and the skate blade. Decorate the shoes with silver lacing and a star. Barbie has put on fabulous skates and is rapidly sliding on a mirror of blue ice. The photo of Olaf with arrows is pasted on foam paper. It trims the edges and closes with a plastic cap. Fasten it on a thin blue strap and decorate it with sparkling rhinestones. Super watch! Barbie, what time is it? A lovely ice flower is glued to the straw tip. Fill the tube with blue and pink sequins. Then add the glycerin and mix well. Close the straw with a drop of hot glue. Beautiful! Glue the lampshade with blue plastic. Decorate it with photos of Elsa and Anna. At the bottom, decorate with sparkling rhinestones. On a chain of balls, hang a crystal bead and fix it inside the lampshade. Collect a table lamp. Incredible beauty! Cut off a piece of wire and bend it into an arc. Open-work crown of sparkling foam paper is attached to the hoop. Decorate the crown with a blue gem and blue rhinestones. Barbie is absolutely delighted with the incredible, fabulous decoration. 2 strips of lilac foam paper are decorated with rhinestones and glued to the zipper on both sides. Connect the zipper with a shiny blank. With the help of tweezers, cut out the curly edge on the second part and connect everything together. Level the bottom. Add a lot of elegant snowflakes and a portrait of Princess Elsa. On top, attach a small pen made of foam paper and 2 narrow strips. What a pretty backpack! Wonderful! Let's do the phone. Carefully wrap it in a thin film. Put it on a stand and cover it with a thick layer of hot glue. When the glue hardens, remove the blank and carefully align the edges. Then cover the blue varnish. The second layer is silver. Stick a photo of Anna. A lovely little case.